In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to craft professional and engaging WhatsApp auto-reply messages for your small business. I'm starting here on the ChatGPT home screen, and the first thing I need to do is set the right context for the AI. I'll pull up my prepared notes where I've written a prompt to establish a specific persona. I'm telling ChatGPT that I want it to act as my dedicated auto-reply writer. I'll highlight this entire description, making sure to include details about being a small business owner named Josh who wants a warm, professional, and human tone, and then I'll copy it. Now, I'll head back over to the browser and paste the detailed persona prompt into the chat bar. Once I hit enter, ChatGPT acknowledges the instructions and confirms it's ready to help me write messages that are clear, reassuring, and customer-focused. Next, I want to generate some specific, away, messages for when I'm off the clock. I'll go back to my notepad and copy my next prompt, which asks for 3 versions: a formal one, a friendly casual version, and a brief, direct option. I'll paste this into the chat and let the AI go to work. It instantly provides me with 3 great templates, all kept under 60 words as requested. Now, let's move on to greeting new customers. I'm copying a new prompt from my notes that asks for 3 welcome messages. These should introduce the business and give the customer a clear next step, like visiting a link or waiting for a team member. I'll paste this into ChatGPT, and it quickly generates professional welcomes that make a great first impression. Finally, I need responses for common customer inquiries. I'll copy one last prompt covering 3 specific scenarios: pricing questions, booking availability, and order status updates. I'll paste this into the message bar, and ChatGPT crafts 3 helpful, concise replies that I can now use to keep my customers informed even when I'm busy. Just like that, I have a full library of custom auto replies ready for my WhatsApp business account. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.